Standard 10th, Subject Maths 2, Lesson number 7, Mensuration, Video number 4. Example number 1, the dimensions of cuboid are 44 centimeter, 21 centimeter and 12 centimeter. It is melted and a cone of height 24 centimeter is made. Find the radius of its base. So what is given here? Cuboid's dimensions, that is length, breadth and height is given. Height of the cone is also given. So volume of cuboid. Why volume? Because when it is melted, melting process is there. So we have to consider the volume. Volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. So 44 into 21 into 12. Now when it melted, it convert into cone. So volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. But volume of cone, volume of cuboid, which is equal to volume of cone. Because when cuboid melt, it form the cone shape, but the volume remains same. So substitute this. Volume of cuboid is 44 into 21 into 12 is equal to volume of cone 1 by 3 pi. Pi is 22 by 7. R square as it is, as its value is not known, into height 24. So 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24. Shift all the numbers here. So this denominator goes up and this numerator goes down. Do the calculation, children. You will get 21 into 21. This is r square. So r is equal to 21 centimeter. Therefore radius of base is 21 centimeter. Okay. Second example. See, this is the toy. It shows, the figure shows the toy. The lower part is hemisphere and the upper part is a cone. Okay. So height of this upper part is 4 centimeter and radius is 3 centimeter. So see the question. Find the volume and the surface area of the toy from the measure shown in the figure. Here pi is 3.14. So what is given, children? Radius. Radius of the cone is 3 centimeter and height, this is height, perpendicular height, which is 4 centimeter. See children, in cone there is perpendicular height as well as slant height. This is slant height. Slant height is denoted by L. So how you can calculate? By using the formula L square is equal to R square plus H square. R is 3, so square of 3 is 9. H is 4, so square of 4 is 16. So L square is 25, therefore L is 5 centimeter. Now you have to calculate the volume of hemisphere. Formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 as it is, pi is 3.14 into r, radius is 3. So cube of 3. Cube of 3 is 27. So 3 ones are 3. 3 nines are 27. And 2 nines are 18. 18 multiplied by 3.14. So you will get the answer, children. Find out this answer. Next, volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Substitute the values. 1 by 3 as it is, pi 3.14, r 3 square into h is 4. So square of 3 is 9. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3.14 into 12. Do this calculation, you will get the answer. Now remember children, when you add these two volume, hemisphere and cone, you will get volume of toy is equal to volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. Substitute this value, do the addition, you will get the answer. Understand? Now the same way you can find out total surface area of both the shape hemisphere and cone. So total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. 3 as it is, pi 3.14 into r 3. 3 square is 9. So 3 nines are, children, 27 into 3.14. So multiply here, you will get the total surface area of hemisphere. Same way, calculate the total surface area of cone by using the formula pi r bracket r plus l bracket close. So pi is 3.14 into r is 3. Again r is 3, l is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. So 3 8s are 24. 3.14 into 24. Multiply here, you will get the total surface area of cone. Same way again you have to add this, like total surface area of toy is equal to total surface area of hemisphere plus total surface area of cone. So children, take the values from here, substitute, do the addition, you will get the final answer. Okay.